What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's been a week, so I wanted to check in on to see how this is doing. You can see all these castings. Little cocoon. And that's, looks like it's hatched. Yep. Yeah, there's nothing in that. Couple little baby worms on this. Wow. Yeah, they're so tiny. Nice little perfect round spot. Bunch of worms on the outside. And check out with the castings, I got some sprouts. Don't know what they are. I think I'm gonna end up just popping them in this container. And then I'm gonna take this over to another side and dump it out and see how many worms we have in here. So let's head into the kitchen and check this out. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead, dump this and see what we got. That newspaper, there was a piece of napkin down there, so that was kind of holding everything in. There's a ton of worms. Ooh, I kind of want to go easy because I don't want to hurt the little guys. If there's some that stay in here, that's fine. I'm going to put this cup back in. Yeah, this did a great job. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back into a red wiggler bin. Then I'm gonna get this bait cup ready again and stick it back into the castings. And there we go. Now I got some light. So in here, I'm gonna add the lettuce, just a couple pieces. And then I'm going to go, when I take it back to the castings, I'm going to add a little bit more of the shredded cardboard on top. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to move it to another little section here. Okay. So hopefully this next time we'll get some more baby worms in there so I can keep pulling them out. Go ahead and put this bag back on top. I think this is nice. It does help to keep the moisture in, so it helps to keep the worms happy. Okay, so this is actually not the big red wiggler bin. This is the one that I have the issue with the slugs. So I figured I can go ahead and add these guys to this bin. I'm just looking to see if I see anything. I've been picking these darn slugs out little by little. It's been kind of brutal. These guys really don't have too much food. This one, I'm thinking about trying something different here with this bin. So I want to add these guys in here. So to try to help get rid of the slugs, I'm going to actually change the tactics on this bin. I'm going to go more with a worm chow and maybe some coffee grounds and try to limit the actual food scraps that I put in. I think that's going to be able to help this bin to hopefully beat this slug issue. Like I said, I've been picking them out when I do come across them, and actually I just seen right here there's one. So when I come across them, I just end up picking them up. Yeah, so I think I'm going to try something different with this bin. Like I said, I've had slugs in this thing for a while now, and a few tips that people gave, I'm going to start trying out and see if that can help eliminate or reduce the amount of slugs I do see, and then we'll just kind of document it and see how it goes. If anybody has any other tips to try to get rid of slugs, please let me know down in the comments. And everybody have a great day.